Folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you, and look at it behind me there. We got the boat uncovered. We're getting ready to wash it, and it's going in the lake here in a little bit. You can see I got all the white paint painted up. The water line's all painted up the way it needs to go. Boat's back on the trailer, and we've been dripping it for about 3 days. Time to fire the engines up before we go to the landing. You never want to show up there and have a problem. We got brand new batteries in, and you can see here's one of the Hercules K-Block 6-cylinder engines, 95 horse. I got a standard rotation here and an opposite rotation on the other side. Oh, that sounds smooth for sure. All right, we'll let it run for a second. We know that one's gonna go. Now let's try the other one. There we go, engine number 2, fired up and ready. Getting her on now. Right there. She's running good tonight. Got the boat in, got it home. It ain't sinking. Something the Turbine Guy and Cousin Ed and others did is right when we fixed up this part of the boat. Now the bilge pump was a little plugged. We had to get that unplugged. It's going to be running a little bit as the bottom seals up as it expands from the water, but I don't worry about that. With all this wiring, I'm not only hooked up to the other batteries in the boat system next door, but also the solar power. So this is a self-regenerating system. Either way, my big baby's in, and we're ready to go for a ride. Turbine Guy, signing out.